as long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Sandali. What's up, tulog yun? Nandito po kami ngayon sa SM Appliance. We are checking the simulator of the appliance of SM. And the title of our vlog today is bumili kami ng aircon sa SM Appliance with me, your Nino, and Baby Princess. Si Baby Tess. Okay, so ngayon po, i-discuss namin sa inyo yung mga appliances na meron, their CSR, and their services. So what we will say in the appliances of SM?
Look.
Oh, ayun na appliances.
Look, this one looks like matcha.
Kumahawak-hawakan naman.
I mean, this one it looks like matcha.
Okay. So, ngayon, mag-tutor tayo sa mga appliances na meron. And
Come
kami
here,
ay
guys. Come
bibili ng
here.
bagong...
Huh?
Ano bibili
Aircon.
natin? Oo.
Okay.
So, check natin
Come
yan.
here.
Picture
Come
nila.
here. I have to show you guys something. Come
Ano,
here.
ano. Ito talaga si Tessie. Okay.
It's so small.
Perfect sa'yo yan.
Oh, don't.
Joke lang.
Don't.
Aray. Joke lang. So, this is the speaker. Oh, and then,
This is where you make shama.
yeah. Okay. Your favorite siomai?
Yeah, guys, look.
Okay.
It's...
Kasamahan niyo po kami mamili
Guys, look,
ng
guys, look.
bagong appliances
Yep,
here at
come here.
SM.
I have to go show you guys something. Look.
Tandaan na.
It's an air fryer. There's
Oh.
white, black, and red.
Anong iluluto mo dyan?
Siyempre, gulay.
Vegetarian ka?
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, mag-check pa kami ng iba pang appliances aside from aircon. Bibili na rin pala kami ng rice cooker. Ayan. So ano nahanap mo?
Yeah,
Oh,
I bought two.
it's only 100. It's you and
100
ate.
pesos?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100 pesos.
Cellphone for sale. Nasa ano siya, 8K to 14K. Ayan. And laptop. Kano mga laptop nyo ngayon? Nasa 33K. Up to 35K. May discount ngayon ang laptop?
Yes, sir. Ito po yung SRP niya, sir. Tapos kapag straight payment po tayo, sir, makukuha nyo na lang po siya ng 30,000.
Nakasave ng 1.5.
Yes.
Okay. CSR. Free 500 pesos max group. Oh, CSR pagka nakabili ng TV. Ano yun? Oh, laki. 69,000 pesos yung kanilang TV ganito. At then yung ganito kalaki, 99,000. So para ka nang bumili ng sarili mong home theater. And then this one, 110,000. Big TV. Wow, laki. And ito naman medyo maliliit, 41K lang. Wow, so much TV. Ito, malaki pa rin, 18K. Medyo sakto lang sa size. 16 to 18K. Up to 25K. So, mga favorite ng ninong yung headset. Range from 700 to 3.5 yung ibang klase. You also have rice cooker once again for only 199 up to 1.3 lang. Ito, 1.3 dito sa Escamilla. Ito, mas murang rice cooker, 1,080 lang, up to 1,175. Kung naghanap ng mas may kalidad ng presyo, matibay yan. Dito yan sa SM Appliance ng Tito Henry nyo. All items, all price that you have na kaya ng presyo, sagot kayo ni Tito Henry. So this is the TV, the aircon. So makakasave din pala ng 1,691 pag nabili to ng tig 4K in the net of 28,000. The washing machine nila range from from 3K to may 4K, may 10K, up to 20K. So, budget friendly siya. Perfect sa inyo. Speakers. Ganito, lalaki na ito pa. Action. Yung rep, yung malaki. Ayan. Dito makita. Sarado. So naka-Christian music sila. One of my favorite song. By Darlene Zekech. Through It All. May may pa Christian music ang Tito Henry niyo. Ayan siya. So ito ang mga sa ref nila, range from 11K to 70K by any brands and types. Ayan. Ito pang karaoke, 2K lang yung mic with pang karaoke package na to. May songbook, Magic Sing, range from 2K to 36K. Yan, Magic Sing. That's nice, Christian song. So, pwede na rin tayo makipraise and worship dito. After we feel blessed from buying those appliances. Anong tawag dyan?
Mixer.
Mixer. So, range from 539 to 1,000 plus. Blender. So, nandito din tayo sa mga pan. Ito yung mga pang siomay, siopaw.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. And a lots of TV, speaker.
Here, come here. I said come here. This is an air fryer.
Oh.
See, Marian?
Okay.
That's called an air fryer. There's red. There's white. Oh, corn dog makers, and
So, that's
mini
range
donuts.
from 149
These are from
1419
donuts.
up to 15 up to 19. Yung mga pangluto ng corn
Those are
dogs.
what?
Yeah.
Wow, these are.
Yan yung mga rice cooker nila. For only 1.5, buy one take one yung rice cooker.
Yeah. Also look.
Oh,
It is blue and gold.
yung TV nila, oh, buy one take one, 12K lang. Huwag mong hawakan. Do not touch.
This is the size of our TV.
Oh, buy one get one free. Ang kanilang TV and
We have.
even yung ano nila.
Look at it.
Yung
Look at this. Chanel.
ito yung other rice cooker na meron. Range from 1K to ano na tong iba, to 2K. And then yung kanilang iron, 649 lang up to 1259.
Hey, Kuya, I'm so tall.
From 6K up to from 4K up to 5K yung presyo ng mga washing machine nila. Baba, bibi, no? Ito yung oven nila. Oh, ito yung mga gas stove. And purify water. Okay. So dito sa likod, yung mga pangluto, electric kettle, appliances that they have in SM Appliance. Ganito tayo. So, you just discover yung ating mga appliance na meron sa SM. So, what you will say?
Good.
Good at,
Amazing.
amazing at,
Maganda.
sa akin matibay at dekalidad. So, for the next naman,
Hey, guys, look.
discover natin.
Let's let's show.
Dito
Oh,
tayo nilatan si Ate.
it's Coco
Si
Martin.
Coco. Dito tayo banda. So, ngayon naman, madidiscover natin yung CSR ng SM Appliance. How they help the people through appliances, not only giving our needs and wants, but also in helping people.
Yeah,
Diba?
I can save a lot of money.
Picture tayo. So, next,
SM can save a lot of money for you because SM is available.
very good baby test.
Yeah, different shops like TikTok shop TikTok shop is.
Send off yung ating mga home appliances.
Yeah, and guys, diba we have like forks,
sa Lucas. At dito po nagtatapos sa ating vlog na bumili kami ng aircon sa SM Appliance. Another SM Video Vlog Special Simulator Discovering the Acting Service of your Tito and Baby Princess and the family. At ang nakita ko ditong action matibay. Una-una matibay yung gamit. And may one take one, CSR, and magaganda yung product. So yan yung mga madidiscover nyo dito sa aming ginawang simulator appliance na meron sa SM Appliances. Ayan. Appliance of SM Appliances. See you again for my another video vlog. Subscribe, Ninong TV, and all social media platforms. At dito po tayo nagtatapos muli. Maraming salamat. Ito po ang ating vlog. Bumili kami ng aircon sa SM Appliance. Intro, bye, say hi.
Hi.
And bye-bye.
Bye.
What you will say in appliances?
What? Oh my gosh! You can only get this in Japan!
Ngayon nandito na sa SM.
Wow!
Because we've got it all
This is for fruits and vegetables
O
to
part ng
cut.
appliances to. May pangluto. Ayan. Wow. So meron na rin silang mga Japanese product.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.